You're afraid of getting up and starting that business because you let everybody else's fears and doubts be the reason why you don't get up and start. Let's talk about it. You have to understand that there are a lot of people out there that is dealing with a lot of trauma, that is dealing with a lot of low insecurities within themselves, which is okay. But when it comes to this business thing, I want you guys to realize that keeping a strong mind, protecting your energy, protecting your goals, even protecting your mindset is so important, you guys. It really is. I want you guys to keep in mind that your goals and your ambition can probably come across as intimidating to people. And so that's why you might get a lot of people that will project their own doubts and their own disbeliefs about what they believe they can, do or achieve within themselves. And in no way am I saying that you have to cut people off. What I'm saying is that I want you to take a look around you and see if you have those types of people around you. And you know the ones I'm talking about, the ones where you share positive news to, and, they'll for some reason feel like they have to bring up what they got going on. And, they totally missed what you had said, didn't even acknowledge what you said. Not because they, didn't hear you. It's because they chose not to, because you're dimming their light. So I want you guys to really pay attention to who you have around you, so that you can be a lot more protective to your subconscious mind and what you're taking in as truth, because we all create our reality based off of what we accept as truth. Okay, I want you guys to remember that. And so if you're somebody who's very goal oriented and very ambitious, and have goals for yourself, and you know exactly how you're going to get there to reach those goals, and out of nowhere one day you for some reason started to get these doubts and start to doubt yourself, and you start to think negative about how you're going to get there, and that's normally not who you are. Maybe you need to take a second look at the people that you're surrounding yourself by, because you may be taking on other people's energy and not even realize that you're doing it. Negative doubt and disbelief will keep you stagnant. Not saying that there's anything wrong with having those feelings, because I definitely feel like we should all be able to acknowledge those feelings that we're expressing. What I'm saying is that don't keep yourself in that moment, okay, forever. The entrepreneur lifestyle is not for the weak, you guys. It's not for the weak. I am here to tell you that, and I'm here to be 100% transparent with you, okay? You have to have a really strong mind. When it comes to my masterclass, I definitely will have a section within my class where I teach you nothing but mindset, okay? Because when it comes to starting your business, your mindset, okay, and how you perceive things in life is literally, what's going to help shape your world and your reality that you see for yourself. Having a strong mindset and, working on building confidence and, listening to self-help books to help build the confidence is definitely something I want you guys to definitely learn. If you're somebody who's really serious about wanting to start a business, I decided to start this masterclass because I want us all to be able to win. I've been selling resin art for years, and I have been enjoying it. You guys know I'm so obsessed with resin. If you're new here, you don't know that, check out my page. But it sells so well, you guys, and I realized over the course of years that there's room for all of us to be able to grow. It really is. And that's another thing I want to talk about with you guys, because I know that there are going to be some people out there that are probably thinking like, why would she give all of this information away? Why wouldn't she just keep it for herself? Like she's really talented. Like, why would she want to create her own competition? So many people believe that if you're selling the same exact item as somebody else, that you won't be able to do well in sales with it. That is not at all true, and I'm living proof, you guys. I really am. I have been selling resin art for years now, okay? And it sells really well. There's other people that sell resin art just like me, and they're doing better than me, okay? And sales. And we sell same items, okay? The art might be different, but it's not keeping me from making sales. I'm doing so well in sales, you guys, and I'm so proud, and I want to share that with you guys. Just the other day, I had some beautiful lady tell me be careful about how much information I share with people, because you don't really want to create your own competition. And I'm thinking like, what? Why would me teaching other people to do what I do is going to stop me from making sales? It's just like what I said earlier. If I control my own reality and I don't take that as my truth, and I connect with myself more on a deeper level, and harness my own energy by manifesting what I want and desire in life, who's going to keep me from making sales? Unless I believe that that's true. There are billions of people on this planet. We cannot sell to every single person out there. So there's room for everyone to be able to make money and grow. there's room for all of us. So we got to get out of the mindset that two people can't sell the same item and, do a great job at selling it. We really do, I promise you, because Walmart and other big brands, like I said, they're not fighting with each other about what they can and cannot sell. They're not. They're just selling it. And guess what? They're making money every single day. All of these stores are. And, nobody's getting in the way of their money. So if they can do it, so can we. Why couldn't we? I felt like that was such a negative way to look at it, which is why I decided that, hey, I'm going to be the one to, change the narrative about the way that people think and feel about it, and so that's why I decided to create my masterclass, because I want other women, I want other, people, everyone to be able to just be able to experience what it's like to, create and then even make a living off of it. Okay. Because you could start a business today, take your product and go rival on social media and literally just out of nowhere have this, beautiful business that you grew in a matter of, months. And now you don't have to work for nobody else. You can just work for yourself. And that's the life that I live on a daily basis. And I want to teach other people to be able to do the same thing. Because so many people are starting to break away from the 9-to-5 lifestyle. And I know everybody is tired of it. Not everybody. There's some people that enjoy it, and that's fine. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the people out there that don't like their jobs, that go to their jobs on a daily basis, and they absolutely hate it, okay? What I'm saying is that there's more to life than that. I love creating. I've been creating resin art for years, and I just want to be able to grow a community of like-minded women, like-minded people that, feel the same way. And so if you are that person and you really want to take it seriously, I got you, okay? I want us women, I want us Black women, okay, in the community to stop feeling like social media is going to hinder you, okay, because you're Black. I know a lot of us be seeing those videos, and I'm not saying that that's not someone's experience, because I'm sure it's happened. But it's like I said, if you accept that as your truth, that is the reality that you are going to live. I promise you, I'm living proof. I've literally been growing 2 different platforms at one time. Okay, I've gone viral many times, and not one time have I been hindered because of the color of my skin. And like I said, and I'm not saying that it doesn't happen. I'm just saying that because I don't believe that it has the power to happen in my reality, that is why I don't live it. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so have an open mind about it, and look at it from a different perspective is all I'm saying. Okay, we can literally grow just as fast, just as much as the next person if you believe that you can do it. Okay, so if you're somebody who's really serious about wanting to start a business, I will be teaching you in my masterclass not only to create beautiful resin art, okay, but you're going to take your product and you're also going to learn how to promote it on social media. You're also going to learn how to create aesthetic, okay, high quality video content, okay, with your product so that it entices your customer to want to purchase it. Okay, it's not going to just be those boring videos. I have so much creative style perspectives when it comes to making content that I will be sharing with you. I will be sharing every single thing that I know, not only with creating content or, out teaching you how to create art. I will also be showing you how to use a Cricut if you don't know how to do that, how to use Design Space, because so many people out there have a Cricut machine. They bought it and they never use it. I'm sure that's you. And if it is, listen, I got you, okay? It's okay. We're gonna take that dusty thing out the closet and we're gonna put it to work, okay? I got you. And for those of you who are struggling with figuring out what kind of business to start, I'm also going to add in there different business ideas, okay, besides the ones that I'm doing that are really high profit margins, okay, fun to do, first of all, because it's not just about the money, but it's also fun, okay? It's something that I'm in the middle of doing myself, okay? But yeah, I will definitely be teaching you guys other business ideas that you can get into, and prosper in doing. And I'm really excited to be able to teach you guys this. I really am. And I did want to introduce myself because I don't think that you guys know my name, but you're gonna know today, okay? My name is Quasia and my husband's name is Mark, and we are resin artists. I love to create resin art and have been creating it for years. We are very supportive to one another in our business, and we love creating with each other. So we just want to be able to just give back all the beautiful experiences that we've been able to experience ourselves with you guys, so that you guys can go on and make your own beautiful experiences and just inspire people to get up to want more in life. We're the kind of people that love to breathe life back into people, and you're going to feel that with our energy and how genuine and, you know, down to earth we are. And I cannot wait to teach you all the things that I've learned over the course of years to help you and your family prosper in life as well. So thanks for checking out my page and my video, and come support your girl. Leave a comment down below and let me know how helpful this video was for you. Please share my video too, you know, help a sister out, okay? I'll be sharing some gems on here, okay? So support me, show me it's free. It's not, you don't got to pay to support, you don't. So support your girl, like, comment, and share so that other people can experience these beautiful experiences that we're all about to get into together. So I love you guys, and I'll check you out later.